biker cruises down an open road until suddenly he loses control and goes down. Watch closely and pay close attention to the white car. The biker crashed because he applied the throttle and leaned in at the same time. This is a recipe for disaster, and on top of that, he had worn tires and made poor line choices. Luckily, the rider was perfectly fine.
Holy oh my god.
In Istanbul, Turkey, a biker's crash showed the danger of being a rider at night. Thankfully, the rider walked away unharmed, but not everyone gets that lucky. If you ride after dark, make sure you're seen. Reflective gear isn't just smart, it could save your life. In Miami, Florida, a bike life group member crashed while doing something which I do not promote. The police was chasing him, and what happened next is absolutely crazy. Do you think the action of the police was justified? Let me know in the comments below.